Hi guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Junkies, and today I will be reviewing one of the best alternatives to Paxful and local bitcoins, that is coinbazaar.com. Right? Coinbazaar is a P2P escrow exchanges, exactly just like Paxful and local bitcoin works. And if there are advantages which I have gone through and I've checked, there are several good advantages from those existing escrow exchanges. So I'll just go ahead and review it, and also I will tell you how you can get free bitcoins by signing up on this platform, right? So as you can see, I've just created my account. I have logged in into my account, and you can see it here, edit profile, wallet, account security, and here you can see buy sell bitcoins dashboard created and blog. uh, I will go ahead and let you know one by one. So first I'm going to show you how the homepage looks like. So it is like this only, wherein people can buy and sell, right? You can click over here as well, and then you can also go ahead and do that. Which what I like about the platform is that it has got videos of their channel which is embedded into it. You can watch the video, and once you click on view more, you can go on to their YouTube channel and look for tutorials, right? And here you can see the UI seems to be looking good. It's not that tough to understand the platform, right? And also you can see, unlike other platforms, we don't have the information as well. Generally we have exchanges wherein people do trades, but here you can get information as well, just like they have a section of latest news and events, so you can also read the latest news here. So you can get informed about all the things that's happening around the world related to crypto world. And one more thing which I liked about the platform is that they have their Bitcoin forum, which is like bitcoindoc.org. You can go ahead and use that, put in all your queries or anything of that sort, exactly like bitcointalk.org. So for this you do not need to register it with Coinbazaar. You can use it separately as well, right? Though it's one of the things that they have. They are based out in Europe, but this can be used worldwide, right? And they have their apps on Google Play and App Store, and you can use the app. You can use the platform to buy and sell bitcoins with more than 300 payment methods around the world. You can check it, and if any of the payment method is not listed here, you can always talk to their support and ask them to add your payment methods, right? So I'll just go ahead and show you one of the unique features also, that they have their dedicated chat room for users where traders and vendors can meet. Through app you can go ahead and access it directly, but if you are using the website, you just have to go to the blog page first. And once you go to the blog page, there you would see an option to join chat room. This is a dedicated chat room for all the users. So this is a very good, I would say, feature, because ultimately when we talk of scams on any particular websites, when you have so many places to reach, so you can go you can just put in your username somewhat like this, and you are just here. So you can check that people are talking and all those things, and they have their support here as well. One of the feature is that none of this feature is I have seen, whether local bitcoin or Paxful. If you want, I can show it to you. They have their live chat, executives through which you can chat. So you can talk to them, whereas in I have checked local bitcoins, they take almost 2 to 3 days to reply. And on Paxful, I will show you how it happens. Even Paxful, you can't go ahead and talk to anyone, just have to raise a ticket or something of this sort. right? So I'll just show you the difference in comparison so that you will have a fair idea about how we can go ahead and what are the features over here, right? So if I'll go here, you can check that. So if I, the chat system is a bit haywire, it keeps popping on its own. So I will just show you, right? So if I'll say hi, so it keeps popping on its own just like a bot, and it keeps suggesting me something rather than a human. This is a bot wherein ultimately I have to race, and it looks very unorganized. You can see that, right? So these things are not there, right? So you can have live chat here, and there are three four methods through which you can contact them through their support. So one thing is there, nowadays exchanges are lacking support, we also know that, right? So this is a dashboard. On dashboard you can just go ahead, I have just created one ad to save the time. You can go on to create ad. It's quite simple. It's really simple to go ahead and use the platform, and you can check, please click on transfer bond button. So when you create an ad, you just click on transfer bond button. If you are selling bitcoins, ensure that you have bitcoins in your wallet. Obviously then your ad would be enabled. uh, but their bond is zero, bond value is zero. So even if you create, sell or buy ad for the first time, you can simply click on transfer bond, and once it's done, your ads will be enabled. Then you can go ahead and fund your wallet. And one of the good feature is that they have only 0.5% fees, where advertisers pay, traders don't have to pay anything. So I will just go ahead and let you know few advantages over here, right? So that you can have a fair idea of why to use Coin Bazaar, and what are and how you can save money, right? Save money. So one thing is there, lowest fee, right? So their outgoing fees is just 0.0001, and no fees on incoming and internal transaction, right? No fees on incoming, just like LBC charges fees. There is no fees, absolutely no fees on incoming and external internal transaction. For external, it's very minimalistic. It's 0.0001. For traders, traders don't have to pay any fees. Traders don't have to pay any fee, right? And for vendors, there's a flat of 0.05%, right? 0.5%, which is quite less if you look onto the market trends. Moreover, there are so many ways that you can reach to to their support through live chat, through all those things. You can read the blogs. You can check over here. They are registered with Dun and Bradstreet, which gives you quite confidence about. I have gone through many P2P platforms, somewhat like CoinCola or local cryptos, but seriously speaking, I did not able to find where exactly are the address. These some platforms, they are actually good or not. I can't comment on that. That's up upon the user. But when we talk of legitimacy, we do not have anything. Say if I'll say go on CoinCola, they do not have anywhere, the address is not mentioned anywhere. Moreover, they say these coin on Coin Bazaar, they say that they are quick in resolving the dispute, right? 24 to 40, and they have very professional moderators, as I had a word with them, right, through the support. So all things are really secure. You can go on to security, you have Google Authenticator, you have 2FA. So this actually makes me to think you know, first thing that we need to have the more margins, as in the traders and vendors should earn good. So if the fees is low, the point of legitimacy is always there. Moreover, when you are contacting through live chat, right, live chat, you can do that, you can do, chat room, dedicated chat room, right? And moreover, they have their offers, which is going on. They keep on running offers. So right now, one of the offer that is going on is that you can get free BTC on your first successful trade. So you can, go ahead, and it's very easy that they have mentioned, send your username and Coinbazar wallet. Once you complete your first trade, you will get free bitcoins. While you are looking this video, you what you can do is you can claim your $2 bitcoin to them. They are giving as a freebie. So you just go ahead and create an account. The moment you create an account, you just have to do your KYC and your phone number verification. The moment you do that, you just mail them your username and Coinbazar wallet, and you will get $2 bitcoin back in your wallet. In case if we are there in India, so we have to give them, so you will get somewhere around 150 rupees bitcoin in your wallet as a token to go ahead and experience the trading, right? So I think I have covered a hell lot. You can do many more things. You can go ahead and check, how many feedbacks they have, what are their, I'll just open one window for you. So this is how traders are there. You can just put in your amount. You can talk to traders, so you can ask them to go ahead, and in case if the price is not matching up with you, you can go ahead and always ask the vendor to update the price. And there are a part of negotiations that you can always do on escrow exchanges. This is the beauty of these exchanges. Even local Bitcoin Paxful, you can, there is a sense of competitiveness, whereas in exchanges like Zerex, you can't buy